guys, welcome back to another video, and today is the first anniversary of my channel. Today is the first anniversary of my channel, so thank you all so much for sticking. There we go. So anyways guys, today we're playing Subway Surfers. I played this before, and I'm good at this game. It's just similar to some other running games. Just gotta do something. Ooh, coins. Oh, sorry guys. You just want to click on the ad because, I wanted some more coins, But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for sticking with my channel for here. Thank you all the support, all of you. Thank you. If I still had my channel, I might have like 136 subscribers right now. But I'll make it to 100 subscribers soon. If you want me to hit 100 subscribers, you could just hit the subscribe button. So anyways, let's do this. Playing Subway Surfers. We also collaborated with the one and only Brawl Stars. Ooh, tournament ender. Webpage. Oh yes, silver. That's good. Yeah, I don't need to watch the ad. Okay. So this is the top one. Wait. Ooh. Alright guys, we're about to start. I just want to do some of these things, Okay, let's go. So if any of you guys do not know Subway Surfers, it's a game that you gotta run away from the cop and collect coins, dodge obstacles like the trains and what are these called? I think they're bumpers. I'm not sure. Sorry guys. Alright, so I'm pro at Subway Surfers. Double tap the screen, activate hoverboard. Oh, sorry guys, just coughing. But I'm okay. I'm not sick or anything. Huh? Oh, that was just a magnet. Oh, I wanted that magnet. There's also some items that you can collect, like the magnet. Oh my goodness. Like the magnet left behind there, these bouncy shoes. I really like this item because you get to jump high. It's like the gravity coil in Roblox. This scooter thing that could just make you boost up in the air for a minute, and then it'll show you the item. Like the jetpack that I got. The jetpack, you get this, you are in the sky. Well, obviously, a jetpack is a thing like it's a thing that you can use. It's a pack that you can wear, and it can make you fly. It's like jet and stuff like that. So yeah, Subway Surfers. Get the gem. No. Yeah, sorry, but I was supposed to click on the coin. I mean the key. I need the key. Yeah, but yeah, there's also some keys. Not only there are coins, but there's also keys. The keys can use for some things, like if you mess up, you can use the keys. You can use the key to like try again. Or you could just click watch ad. But then if you keep making mistakes and you keep pressing watch ad that many times, it might not be able to show. And also sometimes they can give you some like awesome items. Such as 3 item bonus, where you can get 3 items like, sorry guys. See? And also guys, starting today, it's in season 1, episode 6 remastered is coming back. So yeah, and I cannot wait to do it. Oh, good thing I took a bit. Ooh, I was afraid I might die. Yeah, I'm good at Subway Surfers. Like, I'm a pro. Let's see. Alright, I got to 100,000. Now I'm at 200,000. Oh my goodness. Who's this Roblox dude? Who's this robot dude? Not Roblox, robot. Why did I just say Roblox? That's crazy. But anyways, yeah. I only know some of the characters in Subway Surfers. And those characters are Jake, Tricky, and Fresh. Those are the only 3 I know. Oh, and the cop with his dog. Because sometimes police guys have their police dogs, you know? So yeah. Minute. Get away, you silly cop. Oh, what the heck? Wait, where did Jake go? What the heck? Oh my goodness. That's so strange. Where did Jake go? He went to the side. Man, that's crazy. Yeah. Yes, I got the magnet and this bouncy cheese. Imagine if there was some Galactus shoes, like they can make you fly like jetpacks. They're like jetpacks, but they're like with their shoes. Oh yes, another shoe. So that means I can have more time to use these shoes. Hehehe. Thought there was one right there. And I'll show you guys the other stuff in Subway Surfers that you can also do. Oh. Yeah. Alright, let's see what I got in the mystery box. Jake's spray can. Spike's guitar. Oh, wait. Let's check out the characters. Let's see if I can get to try to know them. Okay, I'll join in there later. Wait. Oh. Okay, so the characters I got Jake, Fresh, and Tricky. There's also some different types of them. For Jake, they got just regular Jake. This is him in a dark outfit and him in a star outfit. There's Fresh right here, this guy. He's got a boombox. Yeah, what's he doing? Oh, he's just being fresh. Get it? His name is Fresh and he's being fresh. Get it? Oh, he got a basketball. Oh, okay. Alright. Man, that guy is being fresh. Well, not being rude, but he's good. This is him in a funky outfit. Well, he does have the B-Box, so he is about to get funky. And this is him in a sport outfit. Well, we did saw him. He got a basketball, though. And this is Chicky. She's also in the core crew. There's also some different types of characters. They're in the core crew or not. Alright, and this is her in the heart outfit and the commando outfit. Wait, let's search up the one that says core crew. Let's see. Wait, these guys are all in the core crew? Oh, we got some of the Brawl Stars. We got, this is Max. Wow, nice flip. Oh, wait, I think it's a she. Yeah, because I could tell because of the eyes. Nice flip. This is Dynamite, whatever his name is. Elo Promo. Poco, and this is Spike. Wait, I saw it says Spike's guitar. Like, did it like say that? I'm not sure. This is Piper, Asher. Whoa, he's a Washington D.C. surfer. Costa, Venture. Oh, wait, Super Rondo Fernando. 10th birthday special. Wait, what? What do you mean 10th birthday special? Wait, what are they talking about 10th birthday special? Wait, is it talking about Subway Surfers 10th birthday special? Not sure. Okay, we got Tank Bot, Mimi. What the heck is that? Is that a squirrel or a beaver? Whatever it is. This is a winter holiday guy. There's Linnea. There's Kay. These are the three main characters. This is him in the core crew. Jag outfit, Shine outfit. Brody's also in the core crew. Paul. Brody. Oh, there's Brody. This is Ella. Ooh, I like the gold one. I prefer that. Ooh, Zone. Zombie. Curly and Biker. We got King. That's his name, King. Cause he's the king. Ha! We got Frank, Tasha, Ninja. That's his name. Tagbot. That's his name. That's the guy's name. Oh, look, he got a Subway Surfer. Cool. Here's Lucy, Tina, Spike, Dino, and Boombox. He's a bonus one. Ooh, look at his names. Beep, 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 boop. There's also some upgrades that you can use for your islands, for your jetpack, super sneakers, coin magnet, and twice the multiplier upgrade, which can double your score when your power up is activated. Okay. Let's try some of the events. Let's try the daily. Ooh. Oh, okay. Sorry guys, but I gotta watch these ads for a bit though. And this another ad. Hee hee. Why is it the same one that we just saw since the beginning of the video? What the heck? Yeah, whatever. Alright, this is the final one. Bro, why is it showing the same one? Flex. What the heck? That's strange. Like, why is it showing the same one? Huh? Not sure. Okay, let's do, alright, let's check. Let's play Daily High Score. Alright, let's see that. Wait, did I got the gem? I think I did. I'm not sure if I got the gem or not. Activate hoverboard. Yeah. Now it's R. All you need is the letter S. Let's keep an eye on that guy. Whoa. Oh, I almost missed that multiple. Oh! Yes! Beep, 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 beep. Complete the word hunt. Now what's that? A gem? Yep. What the heck? Bro glitched out. What the? How did he made it past it? Yo, how did he? Oh my goodness. Did you guys saw that? The police guy just made it into the train, the cars. What the heck? Oh my goodness. That's so strange. Now let's turn. Ah! Oh, my hoverboard is on that hurdle. Oh, that's what it's called. Hurdles. Yeah. I thought I made a mistake. Ah! Why do I keep crashing into stuff and leaving my hoverboard? More magnet. Ah! Yeah. Oh my goodness, good thing you were trapped. Even though you guys don't really play for what's working out, I'll just keep it. The diamond one may be cute. Oh, come on. Stop dying! It's my channel's first birthday, so it could not be, so I should get lucky. You should be proud of me for being a YouTuber, proud of me for being a YouTuber for exactly a year since I became a YouTuber. Oh, you need years. Ah! Give me, oh, it's just a joke. Alright, let's try not to die. Ah! Oop. Wait, what? How did my boosting? How did my jumping power didn't even work? That's not fair. Ooh, a ruby. That's so cool. That was like Ruby from BFDI. Yeah. Wow. Alright, let's do no floor times. Ooh. What the heck? Why is she shivering like that? Jake, are you okay? No, I'm scared. I want these mice to get me. Ugh. What the? How did it? My jumping didn't work. Let's try again. 9 keys? Oh no, I can't be able to play it. Jake. Bro was scared of his own good. Now I have to play mine. Yeah, I don't like to play cards. Special challenge. Get as far as you can before the time runs out. Oh, I can do that. I can do that. I can definitely make it. Watch me. Watch me. Watch me. Nailed it. Obviously. Alright, let's go. Hey. Up the first one. That would be dude, it happened right here. Has two. No, I never noticed there were some hourglasses. Okay, so I guess we gotta collect the hourglasses to see how far we can. Alright, let's go. Yeah. That hourglass? Oh, that was, but I couldn't get it in time. Rah. Is that an hourglass? Yes. 9 hourglass. Oh, I thought it was an hourglass. Whoa. Like if you have your hoverboard on, if you crash or something, you're still alive. You just lose your hoverboard. I need to find the hourglass. Yeah. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. An hourglass. The hourglass is on the right. It's gonna make it. Gemstone. Oh no! I need to find the hourglass. I spy an hourglass. Yes. Come on, hourglass. Where's the hourglass? Yes! No! Oh, good thing! Oh no, the hourglass! I was gonna say, good thing that scooter can go down. Oh no, there's 15 seconds! I need to find an hourglass. Hurry, Jetpack, hurry up! Oh, I realized the time is stopped. Oh. Yes, when you're in the jetpack, you're in the time stop. Alright, hurry up. I need to find an hourglass. Oh, there's 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Come on, there's gotta be an hourglass. No! Oh, man. Yeah, this was crazy because there wasn't any hourglass. Why wasn't there any hourglasses in the first place? What the heck? Bro, why am I sounding like Toad? It's crazy how I'm sounding like Toad. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Oh, the time stopped. I forgot I got a jetpack. Oh no, there's 5 seconds. There's gonna be an hourglass. Oh, time's up. Yes, please. I would like to continue for free, medicines, because free is the key to ability. Yes, and yes, because, and then the clean, because it's cleany, clean, clean. Hee 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 hee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, good thing I had one before. Oh no, I can't get the hourglass. I'm too below. Ten seconds. I need to find an hourglass. Oh no, 2 seconds! Bro, look at me. I'm stop. Look, bro just stopped right there. He's like, hey, my red dude. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, let's see. Level up. Level up. Level up. Level up. Let's level up. Wait, how did I even crash? I tried to land on that subway. Bouncing team. There gotta be an hourglass. Come on. Can I make it? Oh, I can't make it up there. Yes, hourglass. I need to find another. Hurry. There's 5 seconds. Hourglass. Hourglass. Oh, there's an hourglass. No! I couldn't make it in time. Oh, man. Ooh, let's see what my rewards are. Stage 1 complete. Ooh. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe for more channel birthday share. See you guys in the next video. Bye.